Hello and welcome to yet another one of my videos. This is about the Shanling SCD-200C SACD player. To get at it, you have to remove the bottom cover, and then there's a toroid transformer that supplies the power supply. And Lampizator would have been proud of it, for it has, as you see, two filters there, the input, and then a proper LC filter on the board. And then we go to a well, really the power supply board with just too much capacity for the CD player. And we have a lot of regulators. There's 5 there, and there's another 6 there, so altogether 11 regulators. As you see, a lot of separate power supplies. Audio board, and you can see some tubes that are sitting there. Is the parts are quality. The polycarbonate capacitors or electrolytics are Nihigon fine gold, and op-amps are Burr-Brown, I think 602. Maybe you can see it, I can't, but my eyes are not that good. Excuse me. The mechanism is KHM 280 AAA, rather rare mechanism and reasonably expensive. I mean, I bought them from Liberty Electronics in US purposely for this player, and we'll see if that will fix it. The player currently reads SACDs but doesn't read CDs, and the laser was replaced already. It worked for a while and then stopped working. An original one was put in. It is normally covered by the little box, and there we have a Shanling DSD and SACD decoder board. It is all of the Shanlings with tubes are done that way. They're a bit of pain to work on, because I mean, if I want to adjust the laser power, I have to take it apart, adjust it, put it back together, see if it was right, and if it isn't, do it all again. But well, that's what it is. But for the user, it's very nice unit, top loader, quality construction. Probably one of the last few players made so well. Well, if I get it going, I'll shoot another video. Hopefully that laser will fix it, and I'll let you know. Well, thank you very much, and till the next one. Bye bye.